Two screenwriters open Scriptmatix. One fast-tracks their way to a screenplay in minutes. The other follows a deeper AI screenwriting workflow, leveraging analysis and exhausting all their creative options. Same tool, different mindset. In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 AI screenwriting mindset shifts that will lead to the best screenplays of your life and actually save you time. Let's go. Tip number 1, stop optimizing for speed. AI is fast, but that doesn't mean that you need to be. In fact, speed is the trap that most screenwriters fall into when learning how to write a screenplay with AI. Now, don't get me wrong, speed is a big edge, but it's only a byproduct. Creative options is the real lever that you're pulling. So stop focusing on speed and focus on process, because when you do, your creativity goes through the roof. Tip number 2, stop thinking like a drafter. See, the old process was simple. You just write pages, rewrite them, then repeat. You output your first draft quickly, and then you carve out the deeper story during the redrafting process. Now, AI can generate pages in minutes, so the big milestone isn't speed to the first draft, it's depth of preparation. When screenwriting with AI, most of your time should be spent in development, because when you set the story up correctly, the first major milestone is really your plot treatment or your outline, and your first draft, it's more polished and further along than anything you've ever written before. Tip number 3, think like a creative director. You're not just writing plot and scenarios anymore, you're directing a story. You look at the options that Scriptmatix gives you. For example, you may run the character journey builder, and now you choose your supporting characters. Then you run the protagonist strategy. Now you choose how your protagonist pursues their objective. Then you run a blueprint model, and now you choose the major plot beats, etc., etc. You get it. You decide what works, you shape the direction before anything is written. Then AI executes fast. Your power is in the choices, not in the typing. Tip number 4, treat screenwriting as decision architecture. Listen, every strong screenplay is a series of decisions. Who's the protagonist? What do they truly want? What's broken inside of them? Who are the body of supporting characters or forces pushing against them? What decisions will they make that impact the plot? Scriptmatix AI screenwriting software can give you variations, different versions, different paths, but it cannot and will not decide better than you. Humans are the creative decision makers, and AI will not and cannot replace that. Tip number 5, build momentum, don't chase answers. Screenwriters stall when they get short on ideas. AI screenwriting tools solve that by giving you 10 options or story directions in a matter of seconds. You don't need certainty, you need motion. Because clarity shows up when you're moving, not while you're waiting. Tip 6, start with character, not plot. Jump into plot too early and you're going to feel it. The plot's just going to feel forced. Instead, start with the person. What drives them? What are they avoiding? What needs to change? What surrounds them? Who surrounds them? This is made easy with the character journey builder inside of Scriptmatix. Discover the character and the plot starts generating itself. And tip number 7, inspiration starts it, method finishes it. Inspiration is always the spark. It's the moment you get excited about an idea, a character, or a moment, but you need a method. Professionals, we rely on a process that can be repeated. So when inspiration drops, you can move forward. Use what works for you. Scriptmatix gives you a host of AI screenwriting tools and models to work with. Create the AI screenwriting workflow that works for you so that you can reliably take that inspiring idea straight to the finish line. So AI doesn't replace your role, it expands it. You make more decisions faster with better visibility. You become more precise, more intentional, more capable. That's the advantage. That's how to write screenplays with AI while still keeping full creative control. Go to screenwriters.com, create a free account, and build your process today. Happy writing.